have you ever wondered what secrets Antarctica is hiding beneath those endless sheets of ice? I'm about to take you on a quick journey to the bottom of the world, where the stories are colder and stranger than you think. Let's start with something wild. Antarctica wasn't always this frozen wasteland. Millions of years ago, it was lush and green, covered with forests and teeming with life. Fossils of ancient ferns, dinosaurs, and even marsupials have been found here. It's like nature's time capsule, perfectly preserved under miles of ice. But it gets weirder. Deep under the Antarctic ice, scientists have discovered more than 400 hidden lakes. The most famous? Lake Vostok. It's been sealed off from the rest of the world for over 15 million years. Imagine what kind of life could be lurking in those dark, untouched waters. It could be bacteria, or something we've never seen before. Now, you might have heard rumors about secret Nazi bases in Antarctica. While that's mostly conspiracy theory, the real scientific bases down here are just as fascinating. Researchers from all over the world work in extreme conditions, sometimes spending months at a time in near-total darkness, all to answer some of science's biggest questions. And here's something that blew my mind. Antarctica is technically a desert. It gets less precipitation than the Sahara. That means, aside from the snow you see, it's actually incredibly dry. But the biggest secret Antarctica is keeping? It holds enough ice to raise sea levels by over 60 meters if it all melted. That's why scientists are racing to understand how climate change is affecting this fragile continent and what it means for the rest of us. Oh, and did you know that meteorites land in Antarctica all the time? The pure white ice makes them easy to spot, so it's one of the best places on Earth for finding rocks from outer space. Some of these even come from Mars. So, next time you see a map in your eyes, just skip over that white blob at the bottom, remember? Antarctica is hiding secrets that could change everything we know about life, our planet, and maybe even the universe. If you enjoyed this icy adventure, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more science stories from the edge of the world. See you in the next one.